What is the difference between momentum based and time frame overlay? However, when you use the time frame overlay, you're guaranteed a buy or a sell every day. So these are all based on the daily time frame, but look how different the conclusions or trades are. So it's not a one size fits all, everybody. I suggest that you pick one. Or if you want to combine two, I think the most reasonable combination will be something plus support and resistance reversal. That's usually an okay combination. Like, for example, anything price action plus support and resistance reversal, trend follower plus support and resistance reversal. If you want to make it three, perhaps you want to ask your coach, book a one-on-one coaching session and ask coach, does this make sense if I combine three of these approaches or these indicators, or are they contra indicating and I'm just causing myself analysis paralysis?